guys, this is Olu of Trades, and I want to quickly show you how you can apply my pinned tweet to your Forex charts. So I will just work with about the first 5 pairs, and you can go and apply it to other pairs that are on the charts. This very table that you have here. This table was gotten courtesy of my friend Kwesi Forex Bright from Ghana. And I shared it because, with his permission, of course, I sent him a DM and on WhatsApp, and he allowed me to post it here. And I would like to show you guys how to use it. Okay, so we're going to start with USD CAD. These are key levels that banks use to take profits. And while I'm drawing it, you will see the market respond off these key levels on the bigger time frames, of course. And I'll show you guys how to use these key levels to also know where our market is trying to take profit, or market is trying to bounce off from, where the market, whatever the market is trying to do off these key levels. All right, so let's start with USD CAD. Let's quickly go to USD CAD. So I'm going to just search for USD CAD. I normally use FXCM, so I'm just going to use Rwanda now. I don't always have much drawing on Rwanda, so I'm going to the daily chart. Going to the daily charts. I'm just going to take out that EMA. I don't need the EMA for now. So right here on the daily chart is where we're going to start putting in those parameters. Okay, so we have USD CAD right here. And if you've not subscribed to my Olu of Trades YouTube channel, you can just hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. You'll be getting more videos like this from time to time. I'm not really much of a YouTube person, but then information like this should actually stay on YouTube for a lot of people to learn from. Okay, so if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And if you are not following me on Twitter, you should. At Olu of Trades. Simple. Olu, O-L-U of Trades. All right, so let's hit the first parameter. For USD CAD, we have 1.405. So you go on your charts, you hit your horizontal line and just put it anywhere on the chart. I'm going to put it to be a normal line, okay? And then you double click on it, and then you enter the parameter 1.405. Then you click on OK. So it automatically adjusts to 1.405, okay? Let's confirm that, 1.405. Let's confirm that. So that is confirmed, right? That's confirmed. Always try to lock it in. So I've locked it in, so nothing else can move. It can't move no matter what. It can never move off the charts. Okay, if you can look at it, you can see the market really bounced off that level, right, before pushing down, and it's coming back to that level, came back towards that level and pushed down again. Right, and if you move into previous years, you see that the price broke through this place and we tested that key level and did what it wanted to do. Okay, so these key levels are where banks normally try to take profits or take retracement off from. Don't worry, we are still going to draw more. The second one on the USD CAD is 1.275. 1.275. So you get your horizontal line and you just put it on your screen. Double tap on that. Double tap on that and you enter 1.275, right? I think 1.275 we saw, right? 1.275, and then enter that. This is it right here. You can see how the market bounced off of it immediately. So don't forget to oh, sorry, I should just have that back on. Yeah, don't forget to lock it in. Am I hitting the wrong thing? Don't forget to lock it in. All right, don't forget to lock it in. Now at this point, we want to get the midpoint of these two levels. Then it's easy. You can use your Fibonacci. You can use your Fibonacci. Okay, you can use your Fibonacci. So we put our Fibonacci from the top to the bottom. There are chances that you might not get it exactly to the coordinates. So what you do is you double click on your Fibonacci now, and then we are going to now enter the coordinates of the top and the bottom one, okay? 1.74500, that's the down one, the parameters we just saw, and the top one is 1.405, right? 1.40500. Okay, so our Fibonacci is perfect to the perfect zero. So now the 50% of our Fibonacci is, I think I need to change the style of my Fibonacci so that some of you can really see it, because yeah. Okay, so we are going to take the 50% of the Fibonacci, that is the exact midpoint from here to here. Okay, we'll take the exact midpoint of the Fibonacci, which is 1.34000. Okay, 1.34000. So I'm just going to hit that there and double tap, go to the coordinates 1.34000, and it hits perfectly to that spot. Okay, so there's something I do to my midpoints, this 50% zone, to know that it's a 50% zone. What I do is I dot the lines, I dash the lines. Okay, I'm not taking out my Fibonacci yet. I'll tell you why, and then I lock it in. So my Fibonacci now, I need to lock it in so it doesn't move at all. So nothing moves it and it doesn't change parameters. Why? Because I want to go and get the minus 100% of the Fibonacci zone and the 200% of the Fibonacci zone. So let us start with the minus 100% of Fibonacci zone. Get your Fib level. It is 1.145, right? 1.145. Double tap on that. 1.145. There you go. Style. It is the main one. So we'll still need to get the middle point of this. So this is done. Lock that in. And then for the 200%, 1.535. So get your horizontal line, your coordinates, 535. There you go. Perfect. To the T, okay? And then you lock it in. So nothing can ever move it in this life. You can decide to draw this on the daily time frame, weekly or monthly time frame. I prefer drawing on the daily time frame. You see more parameters. So next now, we need to get the middle point of this place. And we also need to get the middle point of this top. So what do? We unfreeze our Fibonacci now, and we move it to the other side. So we are drawing it from our both lines now are the swing high and swing low. I think I'll just do only 3 pairs so this video does not go too long, and then we can end it quickly. All right. So we're going to draw it to the perfect T. Our 200 level was 1.535. 1.53500. And this other one was 1.405. That's this one at the bottom here, 1.405, 1.535, and then you click on OK. So your Fibonacci is perfect to the T. And the 50% level of the Fibonacci is 1.47000. So you just get your horizontal line, 1.47000, 1.47000. Okay, and because it's the 50%, change it to a dashed line, click on OK and lock that in. And if you want to continue, you can come up here and add another line to the top. Right there, 1.6650. 1.6650. The moment. 1.6650. That is not a 50% zone. So yeah, 1.6650. Boom, you have that done. And if you go down, you'll see that the 100% is lying on it perfectly on another line there. You can see it because we've done those lines to the downside. So let us get the 50% of this point, and the 50%, let's get 50% of this top one and 50% of the down one, and then we can move on. So to get the 50%, you put your Fibonacci there, up there, right there, and you ensure that you set the Fibonacci to the exact parameters. The exact parameters. You really don't have to be lazy about this. The exact parameters. And then we have our 50% zone, which is 1.600000. All right, 1.6000. So we come here, we hit our Fibonacci, double tap on that, 1.60000. And the style should be the dashed line. There you go. Okay, so you lock that one in too. Always good to lock it in so that the packet does not just move anyhow and takes you and moves your line out of its normal parameter. You might not just figure it out on time when it has started shaking. Okay, so the last one is for USD card is the 50% zone of this spot. Yeah. So get your fib level, click from here to here, double tap on your Fibonacci, and ensure you are getting the coordinates, the exact parameters. This one is 1.27500, and the bottom one is 1.414500. There you go. There you go. So we are getting the midpoint, which is 1.21000. So double tap on that, 1.210000. Okay, and then we lock it in. Now we delete our fib, and you can check. You can see that the market bounced off of that midpoint there and rallied up to the upside, broke above this psychological level and bounced off it, break and retest, and then moved on the daily time frame, right? It is currently testing this zone, so we might be seeing a sell from here with what this market is showing us, or it might just break up, retest it, and move, or might see a sell from here. Basically, that's how to use it. I'm just going to do one more pair so that this video doesn't go too long. Really, I thought I would do up to 5, but we'll just try to mark up one more pair, and then we can, I believe you can apply it to the other pairs there. Apply it on the pairs that you trade. You don't have to apply it on all your pairs, okay? Apply it to the pairs that you trade. These are psychological levels that you would see in the market as you proceed, all right? Let us go to, let's do Euro USD, okay? For the sake of the fact that, a lot of people trade Euro USD. So I'm just going to jump to Euro USD, okay? And there is even gold. You can do for gold too. So let's quickly do Euro USD. Rwanda. I have it on Rwanda already. Euro USD is selling hard. That's interesting. And we should be selling hard on NZD USD as well. Yes, we should sell. Need about should sell to that point. Okay, so my YouTube guys, this is it. Euro USD. Let me see if I have them marked up here. I have it marked up here as well. Give me a moment. Okay, I don't think I have it fully marked up here. It's not fully marked up here. So I'm just going to use this one. But let me check for that Euro USD. Let me check the Forex.com. This should be empty. Oh my God. Okay, let's use this one. So Euro USD key levels. The first one parameter for USD is 1.19. 1.19. Just put that anywhere on the chart. Ensure the style is line. 1.19. To adjust itself with the other zeros. Here is 1.19. There you go, 1.19. And the second one is 1.07. So you get another line, horizontal line, put it anywhere, double tap, and 1.07. There you go, that's it, right there, that's it, 1.07. So next is to get the midpoint of this place with our Fibonacci. So you can get the extensive part, which is 200, and the other extensive part, which is minus 100. How to fix your Fibonacci. Check it on this YouTube channel. There is a video on how to set up your Fibonacci. Check it there and use it. Okay. So let's get the midpoint quickly. And for those that are fast enough, I'm just going to show you my parameters, pause the video and use it. In 2, 3, 1. You're welcome. So let's get the midpoint. First of all, let's ensure that we are at the right parameters with the okay, we set to the right parameter. So the 50% is 1.1300000. So just put that one anywhere, 1.13. 1.13, and our style should be dashed because it's the midpoint. Okay, so since that has been done, let us ensure that everything is locked. Let us ensure that everything is locked. Even the Fibonacci too, I want it locked so I can get my parameters here. 0.95000. The market is more bearish, so we should be setting the parameters to the downside more than the upside. 0.95000. 0.95000 coordinates. Oh, that's it. Easy peasy. Okay, so let's go and get the 200 level. 0.31. 0.31. Boom. Then you lock it in. So next we need to look for the midpoint of this place. But because the market is not really bullish to this side, let's just get the midpoint here and then continue drawing it to the downside. All right. So let us take this, unfreeze it and bring it up here. Double tap on your Fibonacci, 1.3000, 1.1900. And then your midpoint is 1.2500. So get that on your midpoint, 1.25, 1.25. And the style should be dashed. So anywhere you are on your chart, you know that that's a 50% fib zone of your key level. All right. So if you want to continue, you can add another extra line to the top, but because we are not moving towards the top side, we'll just, I can see that the 100 minus 100% is in perfect sync with this spot here. Okay, so let's get the 50% of this other spot here. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now that's perfect. Our 50% level is 1.01. So just pick that up, throw it there. 1.01 is what we are looking for. 1.01. 0.01. It will add the other zeros to it automatically. Okay, I think I did not lock this one. It's locked. It's locked. Okay. So that being said, let us put another 100% here because the market is coming right down. We're having a sell, seriously. So let's see what's going to happen. It's like a buy movement though. But for me, it's just liquidity that's going to be taken out on the daily time frame. All right. That's just a little hint for you guys. This looks like liquidity that we're taking out when the sell really happens. But that's not the main reason why we are here. I see that the market just came and just took off the 78.6 of the key level entry, fib level, and then just started moving right down. Okay, so that's not really why we are here. I just want to draw key levels and move on, right? Don't draw key levels, but I expect the market to pull down to this level here, this minus 27 right here. Okay, but let us just add one more zone, which is 0.830000. 0.830000. Double tap on that. 0.83000. And yeah, our style should be full. It's a main line. And then you bring your Fibonacci in. I think I should lock this one so it doesn't move. Bring your Fibonacci in. There's the 100% level. Bring your Fibonacci in right there. And there you go. 0.95. And 0.8. Hold on. Let's ensure that it's marked well. 0.83000. There you go. So we are trying to get the 50% level, 0.890000. 0.890000. We'll change to a dashed line and you move on. 0.89. That's it. And then we lock that in. Okay, so boom, that's it. You can extend and add to your chart, but you just need the place around where your chart is, and you can keep adding more as time unfolds. All right, you can keep adding more as time unfolds. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. Same thing for gold, just the same thing for gold, just the same thing for gold. I might just use gold as the last one. It's just the same thing for gold. Pick the gold parameters, XAU USD, 1040 and 700. Pick your horizontal line, put it anywhere on the chart. Let me change this now. 1040, coordinates 1040, goes there automatically, and the next one is 700. The next one is 700. The market has been bullish since 1040 and 700. Of course, look at it way down there. So you just keep adding it up with your Fibonacci. How do you add more with your Fibonacci? You just keep adding more with your Fibonacci right there. That's it. So just keep adding more till we meet up with the charts up there. Till we meet up with the charts up there. It's been a very long time since we had the market come around that area. It even came and bounced off the 1040. Okay, so you keep adding more, adding more, adding more till you get to the top. All right. You want to do your Fibonacci 1040, 700. Boom. So your 200 is 1380. Since the market is not going downwards, we have no business downwards. 1380, 1380. Boom, that one is set. Let me lock it in. Let me lock it in. Lock it in. And then you move again. Set your Fibonacci. 1380, 1040. Like that. Next one is 1720. 1720. Mark that, lock it in. Move your Fibonacci again. 1720. 1380. There you go. Next one is 2060. 2060. 2060. Yeah, 2060. So that's it. Let's lock that in. And so on and so forth. And then you can now get your 50% levels, start adding them. But now we have met up with the chart. We started from way down here. Now we have met up with the chart. We should add one more because the chart looks, it's a bullish market. So let's add one more. 2060. 2060. And of course, 1720. 1720. So there you go. So let's add one more. 2400. There you go. So the next thing to do is start adding the 50% levels to all of them. All of them. Starting the 50% levels to all of them. I'm not going to go through all that. I believe you know what to do. This is a law of trades. I always tell you guys, let price action and the candlesticks always be the judge. Put your mind in the game, practice proper risk management, and definitely you'll find yourself making bags with every one of us. Cheers, guys.